Okay guys, today we are going to be discussing being and being in English language. So the way we are going to be doing it, after the class we are going to have a quiz. So you use it. I will answer some questions, I will leave some for you to answer. So let's go straight. We are talking about being and being. This one is spelled B-E-I-N-G, while this one is B-E-E-N. So, and this, like I said, is under verb in English language. So let's start. I'm going to be giving you tips. The tips I will give you today, if you find any of these, this or this, if you find any of the both in any sentence, or you want to make statement to them, it will be very simple for you to do. So if you have been having issues with this today, ride with me, I will get you right. So if you want to use this being, always make sure you have this verb has, have, or had. If you do not find any of these three in the statement, please do not use this being, B-E-E-N. Let's see example. This one says he has plus been. Why did we use this been? Because of this has. Like I told you, has, have, or had. It is normal. Assuming what we have here is he is. We are not going to use this being. Do you get it? Thanks. So here, okay, he has been here since noon. Let's go again. They have plus been there for 3 hours. They have been there. Because of this have, we are going to go with this being. Hope you are following. So another thing now, do not use being. Do not use this being if you have verbs like is, was, are, were, am. If you find any of these verbs, if you find any of them, do not use B-E-N before being. It is wrong. Example, he is being. No, it's wrong. It's very incorrect. Okay, let's go to the use of being. When you have verbs like is, are, was, were, am, maybe you want to make a statement, or you find it in a sentence or in a written format, always make sure that the verb you are using, the being you are using, will be this being, which is this very one. This very one. Let me recap. If you find is, are, was, were, or am, if you find them or you want to use them, you want to write, the being you are going to use is this being. If you used to use being before, today, make sure you stop it and start using this being, because it is wrong. So let's go. We'll have our example here. We are being. We are plus being, not being. Another one is, do not use being if you have, okay, has, have, or had before being. Example, they have been. No. If you want to use this have, like I told you earlier, you are going to go with this being. Hope you are getting it. So now we have been able to understand the concept of B-E-I-N-G and B-E-E-N. So now we are going forward to our quiz. Like I said, when we go through our quiz, I will answer some of the questions. I will leave the rest for you to answer them and tell me, and drop your answers in the comment section for me. Our number one here says, my car has stolen. Which one is supposed to be here? Remember what I said before. If you find has anywhere, you are going to go for this being. But if you find is, are, were, am, was, you go for this being. So let's use it to answer the question. I'm going to answer to some extent. I will leave you to answer the rest, and drop your answers for me. So this one, number one, is my car. Because of this has, we are going to go for this. My car has been stolen. That's good. So let's go to number two. Number two says, have you ever dashed to Egypt? Because of this have here, we are going for being. Have you ever been to Egypt? Okay, number three says, she was dash helped. She was, you are seeing the words. You are going for this, not this very one. So she was being helped. Number four says, Glory has sleeping for 3 hours. Has been sleeping. Remember the has here. Number five says, no living. You are not seeing here now. You are not seeing has. You are not seeing have. You are not seeing had. So definitely we are going for being. And there is something I will tell you. I did not say it before, but let me let you know about it. Apart from is, are, where, was, this being is the only being between these two that can appear after a noun. So if you find any other word apart from has, have, or had that appears and there is need to impute any of these being, the being you are going to go for is not this, never this, is this. So the thing does not only apply to is, are, was, and the rest, it also applies to other things. So like what we have here, no living being. So number 6 says, you are dash selfish. Remember the are, we are going for this. You are being selfish. Number 7 says, she hasn't feeling fine, feeling well lately. She hasn't been feeling well lately. Dash kind to others is good. So remember this now. This is not, there is no has here, so we are going for being. So this number 9 and number 10, I want you to answer them. Keep your answers for me. Honest is an important value to uphold. She has. Remember the tips. I will not give you. Let me just give you clue. Remember what you like I said. If you have has, have, or had, you are going for this. If you have is, are, and the rest, or maybe you do not have is, but you have other, maybe something that is a noun or another thing, you are going to go for this. So I will leave you to answer this question and drop your comments. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share.